Danger. Peter Wynn. Not Will Robinson. Peter Wynn is in danger. Hello everyone. I appreciate you tuning into another episode of my very scrambled life. My name is Peter, if you don't know, and this video will serve as kind of a follow-up to my previous video titled, I'm Moving, Here's Why. I wanted to take this opportunity to fill in some holes I might have left in that previous video, and I'll be the most transparent I can be, up to the level of which I'm comfortable with sharing with you guys. And first, I apologize if I keep looking away from the camera. I'm just trying to watch the water for some gators, because there's warning signs of gators. So, and plus I'm reading from a script. That's one point of being transparent with you guys. I've been pretty consumed by my move out here to Miami, and also consumed at my job, which I just quit. More on that later in a future video. But we're here now, so let's talk about the topic of this video. I rewatched my previous video, I'm Moving, Here's Why, and I explained the why part, but I never explained the how part. So I'll address the question, how was I able to do this, especially moving to a city like Miami? The short answer is family and luck. I gotta change my camera view so I can feel safe. I don't want to beat around the bush, but we're getting a lot of support, point blank. We moved into our new place for a disgustingly fair deal, and I won't share how much. Another question, why Miami? My fiance was born and raised in Miami, her family's in Miami, so we moved to Miami. If I didn't know my fiance and I was single, I'd simply be moving to my parents in Georgia. I've been paying rent since 19. I'm 24 now, and it'd be nice to be babied, which I'm grateful to have the option. I know that I always have the option of going back to mom and dad if I really need to try to reestablish my life and figure out how the heck I'm going to make money doing the things that I love, or just simply doing the things that I want to do. What else should I answer? Am I happy with this move? Frick yeah. I'm ecstatic, delighted. I feel like a kid that just got their first GTA game, where it kind of feels wrong, but you just can't deny that it's totally going to be epic. And for those of you that don't know, GTA stands for Grand Theft Auto. It's a game that, involves guns and drugs and prostitution, and you shouldn't be playing that when you're young. And I got my first GTA game when I was 10. So yes, I am happy, 1000%. Next question, what are my plans in Miami? My high-level answer is 1, get a part-time job with benefits. I need health insurance, possibly 401k, and I think that's what I really want most. Number 2, study for... I don't want to reveal too much, so if you can read lips, then there's your answer. It's still a work in progress. Studying for these things can possibly shape the next decades of my life. So yeah, back to the video. 3, network with as many people as I possibly can. I'm gonna treat being here like a game. Not that I won't, establish a fake friendship with people, but just that I just want to see my life progress. And lastly, number 4, just try to have fun. I want to enjoy, just living here. So try to have fun. Try to be relatively stress-free. Try to get outside my comfort zone, a good amount. And just grow. My main objective is to grow. Is to establish myself and take this opportunity to just do it. And just send it. And just, not be a person that just goes through the motion of life, which I think a lot of people do. I think that wraps up what I want to talk about in this video as a follow-up to my previous video. And if you watch this entire video, then I appreciate you once again. I want to take this moment to acknowledge how much support I've been getting in my first video. My first video being restarting my life. That video got a ton of traction, a lot of comments from you guys, And I really appreciate like the overwhelming support of what I talked about in that video. And I love hearing like your guys' anecdotes and you sharing your feelings too of just going through the same thing as me. And that makes me feel, I don't know, it makes me feel good. It makes me feel good that we were able to connect over something, over this feeling that is a very real feeling. So, thanks a lot. This video is number 3 in my Quitting Corporate series. And yeah, please tune back to the next one. Bye. I feel like I'm always in this position of like sitting down in front of water. But you know what? This is actually like the nicest thing for me to look at. It's just, how can you beat this? I have 3 loves in life: water, rocks, and my fiance. Haha. I got this monkey bag for free on Facebook a while back. Oh, sorry, not Facebook, in my neighborhood. And yeah, it looks to be useful.